How can you miss it?
Oh my.
There's a new bird in town.
I want my mom back.
She's taller than you as well.
I like tall birds.
Oh,
wow.
There we go.
Say hello to Fanny, the flamingo.
For a trial run.
Don't break the bird.
Look at the foot.
Come over here to the side. No, to the side. Listen to me. Over to the side.
What is going on?
Oh, I just stand there. Wait now. I need to balance. I said. Just give me balance.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the flamingo flies tonight. Woo!
My God, that's very good.